If your irrigation zone turns on, but no sprinklers pop up or spray, the system is not failing completely. That matters. When a controller runs and a zone activates, the problem is usually not electrical and usually not pressure. It means water is being allowed to move, but something is preventing it from reaching the sprinklers properly. This situation falls into a different category than a zone that won't turn on at all. Here, the question isn't why the system won't activate. The question is, where is water or usable flow being lost? That loss can happen at the supply, at the valve, in the line, or downstream near the heads. Each possibility leaves a different clue. If you slow down and pay attention to what the system is already doing, you can usually narrow the problem before digging, replacing parts, or guessing. In the next videos, we'll walk through how to think about flow, volume, and downstream restrictions step by step. Diagnosis before replacement.